Welcome back to LocalM Tuts. I'm Nilay Parikh. This is lesson 4 of 16. In the last session, we covered A2A's architecture, agent cards, messages, task lifecycle, SSE streaming, JSON RPC methods. If you're watching this as a standalone video, please find the complete course playlist in the description below. This course uses 3 model providers to demonstrate A2A is model agnostic. GitHub model provides fee4 with a free GitHub personal access token and a decent daily quota. Azure AI Foundry hosts Kimi K2, Kimi K2 Thinking, and many more models. And they do have a free tier. So if you haven't used them, you can certainly give a try with them. And the Foundry Local, where we are running Qwen, the smallest Qwen version, and it will be running entirely on the local machine. So no cloud needed. You can use all of them. You can choose one of it, or you can bring your own model to test these examples. All 3 model exposes OpenAI-compatible API endpoints, so you can use the same OpenAI Python SDK for all of them. Only the base URL and API key will change. Let us configure each provider. First, GitHub models. You can sign into the GitHub Marketplace model page, find fee4, catalog, generate personal access token, and make sure you provide the model read scope. Then set your GitHub token in the environment variable. Its defined is available as a .env.example. You can rename it in the examples and just replace it. The API endpoint is also going to be most likely same, but just double check. It's a model.interface.ai.azure.com. Yes, that's a GitHub models API endpoint. It speaks the standard OpenAI chat completion. Next, the Azure AI Foundry. You can sign it at ai.azure.com, or you can actually create a Foundry instance from Azure portal as well. And deploy the choice of your model, copy the endpoint URL and the API key, and set the 2 variables mentioned at the screen. Same endpoint hosts the other models as well. So all you need is to just change the model name. Finally, the Foundry Local, which also runs the AI model entirely on your local machine using the Onyx runtime. No API key, no cloud account needed. Install the winget on Windows or Brew on Mac OS. Just install the Python SDK. The Foundry Local Manager handles everything. You can also configure them using the Visual Studio Code. Important, the Foundry Local uses the dynamic port assignment at the startup. So always use the manager.endpoint, never hard code a port, but for example, that's fine. Here is a complete .n file example, which you can replace the variable with, and the smoke test validation. And once you set all your tokens, you can run the smoke test and it will let you know which model it does pass, which isn't. And that's the way you are ready to run the examples interactively into the next session. From next session, we will start the hands-on. So thank you for watching this lesson on the LocalM Tuts. In the next session, we will start building your first A2A agent from scratch using the GitHub fee4, and you will find the next video in the A2A protocol course playlist. See you there.